Summer na ngayon dito sa amin. Kaya naman yung school ng mga bata tapos na. Araw-araw kaming nagbabanding sa pamamagitan ng paglalaro dito sa loob ng bahay.
Oops! Someone's outside. Hold on.
At habang naglalaro kami, bigla na lang nag-ring yung doorbell.
We got something here.
Nagulat ako dun sa aking nakita.
Ang laki ng box, me.
Kaya naman, kahit na malaki yung box, kinaya kong ipasok sa loob ng bahay.
What?
Wow!
That's enormous, Dad.
It is
That's
huge.
a big box,
It is a
Dad.
big box.
Yeah.
I'm curious.
Let's see. No.
Nung sinilip ko yung laman ng box, mas lalo akong nagulat.
Okay. I'm gonna peek, okay? No, stay there.
Wow!
Astig
Or
to.
maybe pieces of Danielle. What?
Yeah.
Okay, so
I mean Danielle cups.
I'll describe what's inside, okay? One item is a bag.
Okay.
I don't know what's inside that bag. Let's get the bag first. I'm curious as to what's
it's from
inside.
Nor.
See, it's from Nor,
I
right?
can tell. It's green. Oh, it's a
Oh,
Sinigang.
here. Yeah, there's a lot of Sinigang items in here. So letter here. Look.
Pagkabukas ko, may laman palang sulat sa loob.
Dear Marano family, we are sending you different varieties of Sinigang mixes in the North Sinigang Mukbonding basket. So this is the North Sinigang Mukbonding basket. Because we know how much your family loves Sinigang. By the way, use the roulette whenever you're unsure on what type of Sinigang to cook. Have an asim kalig day. Okay, let's see what's inside the basket.
A bunch of Sinigang mix?
Yes, look. There's the North Sinigang sa Sampaloc original. What else is in there? There's a purple one, Daniel. There's a purple one.
Original.
Yeah.
This is
Oh yeah, the North Sinigang mixed with gabi.
Gabi.
Yeah. And this one, the orange one.
miso.
1, 2, 3, go!
Wow!
Tama-tama rin dahil nagpaplano talaga kaming magluto ng sinigang para sa pananghalian. Yun nga lang, dahil masasarap lahat ng klase ng sinigang, di ba? Kahit anong ilagay mong karne o seafood, hindi namin ngayon alam kung anong klaseng sinigang yung lulutuin namin.
1, 2, 3, spit! Oh.
One more time. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, you're doing the chicken dance. Chicken, all right. We'll cook chicken sinigang today.
Sa chicken sinigang huminto yung roleta. Mabuti na lang kamo, nakapamalengke na kami kahapon. Kaya kumpleto na kami sa mga sangkap. At kapag chicken sinigang, saktong-sakto yan sa North Sinigang sa Sampaloc recipe mix na original.
I'm gonna get the ingredients. Help me, okay? I'm gonna get the chicken first. There you go.
Huge chicken.
It's raw.
Yeah, yes, it is raw because we're gonna cook it, right? Okay, get the vegetable
Veggies.
ingredients.
We need talong.
Hello!
Yay!
I got it.
Here's talong.
And then
What else?
sitaw.
Sitaw.
Yeah, sitaw or string beans. Good.
Pepper.
Pepper.
Yeah, siling pansigang.
Sili.
Yeah, sweet pepper.
Give it to daddy.
There you go. I got the sweet variety, sweetheart.
Then
Yeah, so that
okra.
you can eat it.
I got the okra.
And there's the okra.
Okra.
Look, these are baby okra.
And kangkong.
There you go.
Oh.
Alright, so everything is in here. You'll be helping me prepare the veggies. I'll be slicing the chicken. And we will be using the North Sinigang sa Sampaloc original for this. This is really good.
Just help mommy wash the veggies.
Okay.
Yeah, that'll be cool, guys. Make sure to wash all the veggies, okay?
There
This
you
one
go.
looks like sushi.
You can do it, Danielle. Good job.
Sinimulan na naming iluto yung chicken sinigang. Nagpakulo lang muna ako ng tubig at naglagay na kagad ako ng sibuyas. At pagkatapos nun, yung manok naman yung nilagay namin.
That looks
The
yummy.
chicken, yes, it is yummy,
I
right?
mean, is that how many chicken is there?
There's a lot of chicken.
But
And we'll be
that's
enjoying it later,
I think I know
right?
why the chicken's sinking instead of floating.
Why?
Because the bubble can hinder the chicken's weight.
We just need to boil the chicken for about 30 or 35 minutes until it's fully cooked.
So like eventually half an hour.
Yes, exactly. High five, you're so smart.
Ito yung nakakatuwa dyan. Habang inaantay namin na maluto yung manok, yung mga bata tumutulong sa pag-set ng mesa. At makaraan ng 30 minutes na pagluto sa manok,
Whoa.
So Sinigang is
Look,
blue.
the chicken is floating now, see?
Oh, I think it's gotten lighter.
Yes. We're gonna put more. Sinigang sa Sampalok original. I want super asin kilig, so I'm gonna use 2 packs, okay? And here's the scissors. Get a pair of scissors.
And pour it in.
Yep. Can you pour it in?
Yeah,
You're gonna
sure.
cut it first. Okay. Pour this one in, and then you'll pour the other one, okay?
I have to be very careful. How to?
Whoa! There you go.
Asin kilig. The sour flavor.
I'll give it the asin kilig taste. All right. Good job. Stir it a bit. Can you hand over the tomato, the kamatis? There you go.
And pour it in.
Yes, I'll be pouring it in. There you go. Eggplant?
Eggplant.
Okay, I'm gonna put this in just so it doesn't splash, okay? Okra,
And the
sitaw,
sitaw, which is the
the string beans,
yeah.
and the pepper, right? There you go.
That looks good.
pinakuluan lang namin yung gulay ng 8 minuto. At pagkatapos niya na nilagay ko na yung kangkong. At tinimplahan ko rin ng patis at ng ground black pepper. Ngayon ay excited na mga bata para tikman ang aming chicken sinigang.
It's tasting time. Are you ready to taste it?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's the sinigang. Careful. It's really hot. Yay! All right. Now it's time to eat. All right. Who wants rice? Mommy, rice.
I'll serve the next time.
Yes.
Here you go.
Sinigang was so delicious.
Panalong-panalo talaga ang niluto namin at chicken sinigang. But wait, may continuation pa yan. Kaya, abangan ninyo ang aming next na Nor Sinigang Mukbonding moment. Magkita-kita tayo, ha?